Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today I'll be showing you kind of a new project on the channel.
History.
Yeah, historical project on the channel. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so as you can see, I have a Hot Rod magazine from April 1962. Very old, very cool, very awesome. This was gifted to me, I should say, along with the project that I'm going to show you. It is a Draggin Wagon, or I guess kind of like a competition vehicle for, fire stations, like their community. They used to put on events. So like there's a ladder climb and stuff. And they do hose trials. Like there's 3 different trials, I think. There's one where they drive really fast and then they put down the ladder, and then the dude has to climb up as fast as they can. And then there's another one where they have to haul up buckets up this ladder to get the water up in time as fast as they can. And then also there's another one with the hose, and they have to hook it onto a fire hydrant as fast as they can and then hit the target from far away.
Yeah.
And basically whoever has the best time, I guess, wins a prize.
And the cool thing about this is it happened apparently, according to the article, it originated in New York State, which is literally just to the south of us here in Canada. And cool stuff. Actually, so we kind of went down the rabbit hole and checked out the YouTubes and whatever, and there's some really cool
videos.
Really cool videos. And they had, I'm a Gen Xer and we didn't really have safety equipment, etc. But these guys were off the chain. They're crazy.
Yeah, these guys are nuts.
Yeah, they were full on drag race machines, and they were just wearing Converse and cotton t-shirts.
Yeah, the guys now obviously have safety stuff, but these guys, look at these dudes. They're just hanging off the back.
Yeah, it was hardcore. These guys were awesome.
Yeah.
Check out the videos.
And anyway, so here's some more photos. I'm going to be using these as reference photos because I'll show you what I'm going to have to be building very soon. Or I guess I'm going to explain what I'm building very soon. So the actual, see, there's the hose target practice, which is probably one of my favorite. Here's the typical competitive drill layout. So that kind of gives you reference of what kind of they do or where and how it happens. Anyways, flipping over the page, this one's bookmarked because this right here, this 1950s Ford, is one of the things that they converted into this competition.
Draggin Wagon.
Yeah, they converted it into a Draggin Wagon. So I'm going to be taking on that project because it's already been partially started.
How did it partially get started?
Yeah, so to explain, I was gifted this kit very kindly by a well-known member in the Kingston Scale Auto community, Peter McDonald. If you watched my interview with Brian McCoskey, and if you haven't, you should check it out. But he is good friends with Brian McCoskey, and he I believe he reintroduced him into the hobby.
Yeah.
He explains that in the interview. And Peter owned 2 hobby shops in Kingston at separate times, not at the same time, I believe. 2 different locations. And I think my dad actually went there one time, before me, a long time ago.
Yeah.
But
a girlfriend from a far distant past.
Yeah. And so at the start of the video, we were talking about how this is historically significant in the sense of the Kingston Scale model car competition.
Yeah.
It says it right there. First grader Kingston model car competition, sponsored by KSAC,
which is
Kingston Scale Auto Club.
Yeah, cool.
Pretty crazy.
The first ever competition, and this was entered.
Yes, and you know what it happened to get? 5th place. There's the original ribbon. Let's see if I can fit it in the frame.
Which is cool.
And we were looking, and it comes with the tally system for how they marked up everything. They were like pretty, well, I guess.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah. 125 out of 200. That's pretty good for an unfinished, unpainted model.
Without further ado.
Yeah, let's show it.
Show the project.
So, here it is. No, I'm just kidding. This was the chopped off body part. But in all seriousness, here it is. The hood's open. But this is the Draggin Wagon 1950 Ford. I think it's Victoria? I believe. I don't know. Peter made these cardboard templates. He measured them out and stuff, and then he cut them to size, and then he transferred that onto styrene. And it looks amazing. I mean, there's 2 of them that are the same exact size for both sides. And then he also made a template out of cardboard for the, what's this called? Like checker plate? Yeah, I thought so. And it fits literally perfectly. It's amazing. So, and then obviously he cut the giant piece of body off, like I showed. And then I believe this is copper tube in the, for the, oh my gosh, what is it?
Transmission down.
Yeah. And, oh yeah, and also the fenders. Oh my gosh, I'm so slow. Jesus. The fenders were done by there's a piece of black plastic that's also been kind of chopped off of one fender and put onto another so it would fit better, which is pretty cool actually to see that. And those will go on there just like that. And I believe this is a donor engine as well because of the different color. It's blue, and in the article it says it's from a 55 Caddy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is a Cadillac engine.
Yeah, it says, yeah, with full power from McCulloch blown 55 Caddy. So we're going to have to find more pieces for this engine. I don't even know if there is a 55 Caddy kit. I've never seen one. If anybody knows where this engine might be from, let us know, because I'm kind of curious. Oh, and the wheels. So the wheels were, I'm assuming, parts box because of their red color. They're painted, but there is copper tubing, the same copper tubing that I use for my hinges. And there's copper tubing on the inside of the wheel well as well. And it fits perfectly.
So nice.
Perfect like that. Boom. Look at that. How crazy is that? And it spins, obviously. But, like, wow, that's craziness. And then there's 4, obviously. There's the rear wheels. And there's the, suspension.
It was a Buick rear. What do they? I can't remember what the article says, but
it's told that the rear end is stock.
Oh, okay.
And the engine has a little done to it.
A little, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Watch the videos and tell me there's a little bit done to those engines.
1956 Cadillac item supercharged via a 471 GMC blower.
Oh, okay, that's pretty common.
Yeah.
Cool.
So
yeah, this is the history of it, right? Like the first ever Kingston Scale Auto Model competition, and here is something that was entered as a project all those years ago and scored 5th place, which is in my eyes pretty incredible for a project.
Yeah, for an unpainted, unfinished.
Yeah, and then talk about in the box. Oh my god,
there was a lot of work.
This is in the vault.
Yeah, this was, well, judging by obviously the first scale model car competition, this is at least 30 years old.
Yeah,
at least.
I guess I wouldn't even hazard to guess. We should probably contact Peter and find out maybe what year it was or whatever. I guess. How long this has been.
Yeah.
Marinating.
Yeah, so I'm all nervous to start it. But
no pressure.
Actually, I almost forgot. My dad bought these, I don't even know why did you buy these?
I don't know.
I guess they were just kind of unique. That's like just fire engine pieces for the Revell Germany Unimog kits.
Yeah, so you never know when you're going to need randomness. So
yeah, but
it's always important to buy randomness.
I figured, oh, wait, there's supposed to be fire engine hoses. And I was like, wait a minute, you bought those fire engine hoses for no reason a long time ago. So they're in here.
It was for a reason. I just didn't know it at the time.
Right. The universe worked itself.
Indeed.
So there's 3 different colors. I need your guys' help. I don't know which color to choose. Probably not red. And they are textured. Yeah, the fire engine is going to be red.
Yeah, brown, red.
There is a gray, but it is very large.
It's huge.
It is very thick. So maybe not that one. And then there's this one. And I don't really like the color of this one either. Like, it looks like candy cane to me. Like blue and white.
There's got to be emergency guys. There's a whole community of emergency builders and whatever. Like, so if you have like I don't know, what would it be? Well, 1969, right? What's the year in the magazine?
62.
Yeah. Okay. Well, so 60s. Fire hose. If somebody has a suggestion on where we can get something that matches what would have been used then,
like there's a tan one, and I'm assuming they just painted it. So that's what I might do. I might just paint one of the hoses.
Yeah, as long as you airbrush it, doesn't get too.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna just gob it on there. I'm not that ruthless. But, yeah, this is super super duper awesome. Actually, look, this comes off apparently. Boom.
Everything.
Look at that.
Like it's
Look at
so
how
precision. That's amazing.
Is that? Let's food focus. There we go. See, little holder there. Bench seat. That's from the kit, I believe. Actually, is it? I don't think so, because there's a different bench seat in the box. But yeah, and this checker plate fits on literally perfectly. It's incredible.
Yeah,
so
super cool project, and it's kind of sort of local too. I mean, it's within a few 100 miles of where we live. Like apparently New York State.
Oh, you mean New York? I was like, Peter doesn't live 100 miles away from us.
No, he literally lives like 8 kilometers from us.
Yeah, he's not very far away.
But yeah, cool subject matter. Just I mean, I like really weird stuff, so this is kind of like, it excites me because it's just a bit of weird, and I like that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Cool stuff.
And just another look at the photo while I'm explaining. I guess the first steps are to be I should say, trying to replicate that stuff in the back of the vehicle, and maybe do some more body work. Obviously, put the fenders on, the little step guard there, and also find pieces for the engine. And also, I'm gonna scratch build a ladder. And obviously, like I was just talking about, I'm gonna put the hose on there. But there's a photo in here with a ladder, and it shows how built up there. Oh, where is it? That's weird. I can't find it.
Take a picture, put it on the screen.
I swear it was in here, but I might just be wrong. I literally just saw it.
Good content.
Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's giant and right in front of my face. I don't want to rip this magazine. See how built up that ladder is? It's all the support so it doesn't like bend in on itself when the dude's trying to climb up. So it doesn't like slingshot him off.
It's pretty intense.
Yeah. So I'm going to have to build a giant freaking ladder. Figure out how to put that on. And then also figure out how I'm going to put fire hose on, which it should be fine, but we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for this this project. It's gonna be it should be interesting. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
I want to know. I mean, this is a pretty cool project from like a historical, like Kingston Club, perspective and whatever. But like, what's your oldest back in the box? I have a real fascination with this sort of thing, probably because I have so many that are back in the box. But anyways, enough for me. Let's
all right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.